buke o jutay. Ibig sabihin, I'm a bit fine. Madam Witness, nasa tubig, we have water.
Excuse me, sir.
Opo.
Sir, pwede rin.
Okay. Your Honor, ikaw ng witness, sabi ko ng witness, kung pwede ba hindi po malamig yung tubig.
Can they do that turn
Wala,
around
wala
again?
ni tambal. Wala ni tambal.
Can they do that spin around again?
He's having second thoughts now. Like he's like,
Oh, he knows.
yeah, he kind of knows. You want more? Oh, turn mo na, turn. Good job.
Salamat po.
Ito ha.
Salamat, ma'am. Punta na. Why are
Swallow,
you here
swallow.
today?
Good job. Good job.
Na ako diri tungod sa akong
Wala
sa
ka.
Okay.
Yan, ipatawag ko diri sa Senado. Pizza, August.
With your permission, Attorney Libutan, kung papahintulutan niyo po, Ms. Gina, pwede po gamitin po ninyo para mas maunawaan ng mas nakararami, English o Filipino sa pagsagot.
Good job. Good boy. Good
Your
job.
Honor, pwede po haluan ng Bisaya, Your
All
Honor.
done. All done.
Sige po, basta
Okay.
mag-translate ni Attorney Libutan without any objection to the respondent yung ibang mga